and welcome to Own Lego Brick Build. Today I'll show you how you can make your very own buffoonery cube, which actually works and spins like a real Rubik's cube, and it actually solves. Let's get started. First, you need to make a white 8x8 base, prefer maybe like two plates tall. Then now you just have to add some colour. So I've added green, red, orange and blue for the regular colours. So once you finish that, add one of these big 4x4 circles pieces because of the hole, and add some black bricks to the sides just to make it look nice and to hide the corners. Now for your next part, you want to build the same 8x8 base but now with yellow on top, and add two 4x4 plates just here. Once you finish that, you just got to make your cube. So to make one cube, you just need to add a 2x4 brick and two plates that match the 2x4 and just snap it on. So don't forget to make them in different colours, so blue, red, green and orange. And you also need to snap it in the same way your bottom part has been put. So now you have a solid stage. Now again, just add your black pieces, and to do that, you do the same as you did for these things, but instead you use black bricks and 2x2s. So you just got to snap those on, and add one more of those 4x4 circle bricks with a Technic pin in the middle. Make sure it is a black one. So this is a Technic pin. So now you just have to snap those two bits in the middle. And now once you just put it on, but before you snap it, you need to smoothen it, as otherwise it just goes a bit too hard and it can't turn. So you just have to add tiles to it for the smooth turning, and don't forget to add tiles just around to cover the edges. So I finished tiling, and now you can snap it on and it works. You can spin it and it's really satisfying. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share, or follow for more. Bye!